Did you know that Uber has a credit card? Well, in this video, I'm going over the top benefits of the Uber card and how to get the most value from it. Keep watching. What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. If you're new here and you want to learn how to travel anywhere in the world almost free by using credit cards and travel points, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss a thing. So Uber has taken over the world, taxi services, they might as well have a credit card as well. The Uber Visa card does have surprisingly good benefits for being a no annual fee card. In this video, I'm going over all of the benefits and how you can get the most value from this card. First, let's start with the sign-up bonus of $100 after completing a minimum spending of $500 in the first 90 days with no annual fee ever. And if you want to apply for this card or any other cards with big sign-up bonuses, you could click the link in the description. I think where the Uber card shines is the spending bonus category. So you get 4% on dining, which includes restaurants, takeout, bars, as well as Uber Eats. You get 3% back on hotels and airfare, and this also includes Airbnb and other house rental services. 2% back for Uber and online shopping, which includes streaming services, videos, and other online shopping sites. Then 1% back on everything else. One of my favorite things about this is that it has mobile phone insurance, which covers up to $600 in theft and damage with a $25 deductible when you pay for your phone bill with this Uber Visa card. One of my least favorite things about this card is the $50 subscription credit after spending $5,000 in a calendar year. Here are some of the subscription services that are eligible for this credit. I'm not sure how you could get $5,000 in spend for this category, and that $5,000 is better put towards something else. So I recommend not putting all of your streaming services just to get an extra $50. The next benefit is exclusive access to exclusive events with this not so exclusive card. So with the Uber Visa card, there's no annual fee, which means a lot of people will probably get this card. So I'm not sure how exclusive these events will be. There are no foreign transaction fees with this card, which is a big plus. So there is a minimum number of points that you need to redeem. For Uber credits, it starts at 500 points, which equals $5, and all other redemptions start at 2,500 points or $25. In order to redeem your points for Uber credits, you would attach your Uber card to your Uber app, and then you go to the menu, and then when you have enough credits, then you would just use that to pay for your Uber rides. Now that you know all the benefits, let me give my opinion on this card. I think it's pretty good for dining. So 4% back is on par with the Capital One Saver card. If you want to learn more information on that, you could click the link above. Keep in mind, you also get a $200 Uber credit if you have the American Express Platinum card. I think the phone insurance is definitely a big plus. So if you are under 524, I recommend getting other cards first. And if you're not sure what 524 is or how to check your 524 status, you could click the link above. So if you could take advantage of these three benefits, I think this card is worth it for you. The 4% back on dining, the $100 statement credit, and the phone insurance up to $600 with a $25 deductible. If you could take advantage of those three things, then I think this card is worth getting. And being a no annual fee card, you could keep this card forever. One of the things that I wish to see with this card is that they had a higher cashback percentage for Uber rides itself. Do you think the Uber Visa card is worth getting? I would love to hear it in the comments below. If you like this video and want to watch more videos just like this of how to travel anywhere almost free, then you could click any of these links over here, and I'll see you in the next video.